So in this video, we will discuss about the first step of developing literature search strategy. So our first step is identify your topic. Why it is important? Because your all search is moving around your topic. So here is an example of a topic. This is just for example for better understanding. So here the topic is, should the hospital involve a patient family in direct care for the patient in the ICU? So this is a topic. So in this topic, we want to explore the involvement of the family member of patient in the direct care in the ICU. Let's suppose in the ICU, mostly the patient are the bedridden. So if we involve the family in the care, so what the literature said about this? Is this concept is present in the literature or not? So this is actually our topic. So now in next step, we will identify what are the concept in this topic.